Yeah, you got it, bro. Let's see it. I don't know if my tires are right for this. You're fine, send it. It's getting dark too. What are you talking about? It's 8 in the morning. And the wind is blowing eastbound. You know I prefer a westbound breeze. What's up with all the excuses? Do you not want to get your bike dirty? Well, no, the breeze is definitely eastbound. Dude. Yeah, fine. I don't want to get my bike dirty. Is that so bad? Yes, that's what it's for. I'll clean it for you. Really? Yeah, I've got everything we need. Send it. Okay. Finally, time. I've put everything I have into what I'm about to show you. The brand I'm introducing in this video is my own. After years of building, riding, and obsessing over anything electric with wheels, I've noticed one thing that's been missing. Something so simple, so important, but so neglected in the electric world. I am proud to announce my brand, Charged PEV, the world's first detailing line designed to clean and protect all things electric. And to celebrate, I'm giving away my own 72-volt Surron. At the end of this video, I'll explain how you can get 500 entries into the giveaway. But first, let me introduce to you the starting lineup.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone.
First up, I've got my Charged APC, which stands for All-Purpose Cleaner. It's great for dirt, grease, and grime. I use it to clean my seat, my grips, to remove chain splatter, brake oil, and dirt. I designed the Charged lineup for all PEVs, so not just Surrons. Watch the APC remove scuff marks from this swagway. With some scrubbing, even these clapped wheels have a fighting chance. Or this Escape battery box, the APC cleans out those hard to get spots really well. I use it to clean my helmet, my goggles, and even around the garage, like my work stool, which really needed it. Or even the floor itself, removing oil stains with one pass. It's strong, effective, and safe to use on every PEV I've tested. Next up, I've got my Charged waterless ceramic wash. It's probably the MVP of the lineup because without needing to rinse before or after use, the waterless wash cleans, shines, and protects. For daily maintenance, the waterless wash is my go-to. It removes daily contaminants quick and easy, leaving black plastics looking better than ever, and rejuvenating carbon fiber. Look at this. It's the only way I clean my batteries now. Without needing extra water, I can safely clean and polish and protect my casing, leaving a hydrophobic coat that water just beads right off. Frame or fender, it brings everything back to life. Look at this Swagway makeover using only the waterless wash. The protective finish it leaves behind doesn't only look good, but it makes the next clean even easier by allowing water to bead off and other contaminants not to stick as easily. I even love using it on my helmet. Look at these results. Just needing to spray, wipe, and dry to get these results is a game changer. Now next up, I've got something so powerful that I need to make a disclaimer. To properly clean a tire, you need harsh chemicals. However, many PEVs, including Surrons, have tires mounted on anodized rims, which should never be cleaned with harsh chemicals. For my tests, washing an anodized rim with this cleaner caused discoloration in as few as 10 rinses. So for my Surron wheels, I do the following. I clean the rims with my waterless wash, leaving a nice shine and protective layer before I apply the tire cleaner with a saturated cloth. It's not the end of the world if the tire cleaner gets on the rims, as long as I don't let it sit. Because of its strength, the charged tire cleaner leaves tires looking brand new, melting away stubborn stains that I used to think were permanent. A PEV is not clean with dirty tires, and neither is my truck, which I also use it for. And last but not least, I've got my charged ceramic sealant. With this, we're talking long-term protection. I use it to protect my carbon fiber. See how this water just beads right off? Not only is that great protection, but it also makes cleaning in the future much easier. Watch how it creates a hydrophobic coating. Water just beads off effortlessly. Let's compare it to the same but untreated surface. See how the water sticks? And it leaves marks when it's blown off. We don't want that. At this point, I've pretty much ceramic coated everything I have, my helmet, even my play button. It protects them, it keeps them looking young. I like it. This Surron got down and dirty earlier, but it's now cleaner and more protected than ever. In my last video, I got the giveaway bike a little dirty, so I'm gonna clean it while I explain how you can enter. All you have to do to enter is give Charged PEV cleaners a try. Every dollar is an entry, and I'm doing a 5x bonus if you order the bundle. So not only do you get to try all 4 products, but you get 500 entries into the giveaway, and every dollar going through Charged PEV goes to support this channel. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay clean, as I do.
Yeah, I'm on my